Tinubu's disdain for Ndigbo continues. Tinubu's disdain for Ndigbo continues. But this one seems to be the loudest. You need to see what I just saw in the news. Can this be? And let me tell you, Tinubu is not mincing words. Tinubu is throwing this directly at Ndigbo. Don't think it's APC, no. If Tinubu wins, of course, he has always known that Ndigbo will not vote for him. Ndigbo does not like to vote for people like that. Not because he's Yoruba, no. But because of his records. Ndigbo are very careful about who they vote. And Tinubu continues to show disrespect for Ndigbo. And even, this is the height of it, coming to Enugu to tell Ndigbo. Let me play it for you to see.
Let's continue what's trending with reactions trailing comments made by the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who during a rally in Enugu State urged his supporters in the APC to work hard until he becomes the president of Nigeria, or they will not be rewarded, not even with a soaked slice of bread. The comment, however, has generated several reactions, with some accusing the former Lagos State governor of disrespecting the Igbos. Let's take a listen before we take some reactions.
The Deputy National Chairman for the South, well, you have represented well the chairman of our party, national chairman. But nobody will give all of you any credit. You are working hard, you are sweating now. We want you to sweat well for this party until you deliver victory. Yes, sir. Until Bola Tinubu became the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yes, sir. We will not give you but a slight clap or a soaked slice of bread.
Well, all right, let's take some reactions. This is from China.
This is the height of it. A soaked slice. This is insult upon insult. And I wonder how Ndigbo will take this. He has been doing things like this. He has been, but this is the height of it in Igbo land. Now, for those who wants to vote, I will advise you. This guy must not get there. Because even if he wins, he knows you didn't vote for him. He will unleash all of his plans against Ndigbo. We are talking about marginalization. You will see the real definition of marginalization. Then Igbos in Lagos, may God help us, with his planned state police and other things. Look at what he's saying without fear in Igbo land. Remember his past records. Oh my God. If Ndigbo miss it this time, I'm talking about people who wants to vote. If we miss it this time, so you better rethink, think well. Think well. Our non-participation, also think about it. Yes, we are looking for a bigger thing, but look at what is at stake. Are you going to give it to him? You know what I mean?